Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the Kordial Media YouTube channel. My name is Adriana and I help Shopify e-commerce businesses and influencers drive traffic and sales utilizing Pinterest. This video is going to teach you how I use ChatGPT to create pin descriptions that are not only read in natural language and sound and look really nice, but are also SEO keyword optimized. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. Without further ado, let me show you how I use AI to write pin descriptions. Hey, real quick, do you want to know how I help e-commerce businesses generate between 3 and 15 ROAS with Pinterest ads consistently? Check out my link in the description box below. It'll show you my step-by-step process on how I help e-commerce businesses make thousands and even millions of dollars every single month on Pinterest. Okay, so the first step is to actually find the blog post or the piece of content that you want to create a pin description for, and then start doing your keyword research. So I want to create a pin description for this blog post called How to Optimize Your Pinterest Ads Creatives. So I'm going to go to Pinterest and do the keyword research. So over here, I'm going to type Pinterest ads. And I'm going to collect 6 keywords. So we've got Pinterest ads is one, Pinterest ads tips, pin. I'm gonna collect them straight in the pin description section. Pinterest ads tips, Pinterest ads ideas is good. Pinterest creatives. Let's see if that populates. Pinterest creative strategy, Pinterest creative ads, I saw one on best practices, which is good. Pinterest creative best practices. One, two, three, four, five. One more. Pinterest graphics. Graphics for Pinterest. Maybe we'll do that. Copy and paste. All right, so that's the first thing. Next thing that we're gonna do is open ChatGPT. I'm going to feed it now this prompt, which, by the way, you can download in the description box below for free. So this is the prompt, the writing prompt. Write a Pinterest description that is 450 characters with a call to action in the first sentence to visit the site of this brand. Insert brand name. In this case, it's my brand, Kordial Media, and include these keywords. Go back here and get the keywords. Copy, paste, and I'm actually going to put commas in between each comma, comma. Don't include hashtags because hashtags are no longer a Pinterest best practice to utilize on pin descriptions. So there's that. And now I'm going to tell it to populate. Okay, so as you can see, it created a keyword-rich description that is read in natural language. So it has the call to action in the first sentence with my brand name. It's got some keywords here. Our team of experts has all the Pinterest ads tips, Pinterest ads ideas, and Pinterest creative practices you need to create winning campaigns. From brainstorming the perfect Pinterest creative strategy to designing eye-catching graphics for Pinterest, we've got you covered. Isn't this great? So there you go. Now your next step is to copy your pin description, add it to Pinterest just like that, and you can see it's 450 characters, or a little less, because you're only allowed 50 characters. You're only allowed 500 characters.
So there you go. That's how you write pin descriptions with AI.
All right, now that you know how to use ChatGPT to write pin descriptions, let me know if you have a comment or a question. Write it in the comment box below. I would love to answer. If you'd like an expert like myself to look over your Pinterest strategy, feel free to book a meeting with me. You and I can get on a call, talk about your Pinterest account, and see if we're a good fit to work together. On that note, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.